feels good. Obviously out of comfort zone, but it's obviously good to learn new skills and new trades, and obviously life after rugby is a serious thing, so we just come in today to learn different skills, I suppose. So we got bricklaying obviously first, I think we go to plastering next, and then finish the day with carpentry. Yeah?